To fix error 0x80004005 Unspecified Error in Windows 11, first click on Start, then restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to fix the problem. If the issue is still there, right-click on Start, select Terminal as admin, click on Yes. Here you need to type the following command showing up on your screen. First, you need to run the SFC scan, then press enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. After that, you need to run DISM command. After typing that command, simply press enter. Let the process complete without closing the terminal. Once it's finished, click on start and restart your PC. If you're still getting the error, right-click on start, select run. Here type %temp%, then press enter. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and A to select all the file in here, then click on delete. If you'll see this screen, then simply click on skip. Check this box and click skip. Afterward, click on start and restart your PC and check if that helped you to fix your problem. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.